PoYams Cash Plus is one of those rare brokers that let you invest your CPF and SRS funds. But let's just say there's a learning curve to using the platform. So in this video, I'll be doing a quick step-by-step guide on how to use PoYams Cash Plus, starting from how to open an account, fund your account, how to link your CPF and SRS accounts if you need to, how to buy and sell stocks, and finally, how to withdraw the money back to your bank account. Then at the end, I will also share some tips and tricks on how to maximize the benefits of your PoYams Cash Plus account. Alright, let's start right now. First things first, if you don't have a PoYams Cash Plus account yet, you can sign up using my link down below. For account type, choose Cash Plus account as it will let you enjoy lower trading fees. Then make sure both Smart Park and Contracts for Difference are enabled.
Wait, CFD? Isn't that risky?
Okay, you don't have to trade CFD if you don't want to. The only reason you need to enable them is just to ensure that you qualify for the welcome rewards. Plus, I will also qualify for the referral reward, yeah? Then after that, just fill in your details as per normal. The account will typically be approved immediately and you will receive an email notification once it's approved. Next, you will need to fund your account with some money. There are several ways to fund your account. For example, you can fund either via PayNow, Paylah, Fast, eNets, and so on. But the easiest method would be to fund via PayNow. So to do that, at the top, click on Account Management, Deposit Fund, then choose PayNow. Next, log in to your bank account. Mine is DBS, so I will just show you how to transfer via DBS. At the top, click on Transfer, click to PayNow, then choose Add a PayNow recipient. For type, choose Unique Entity Number or UEN. You will then need to enter the recipient's UEN. So head back to PoYams Cash Plus, copy the UEN, head back and paste it in. Click Next. Check everything is correct, then submit. To make a transfer, click on Transfer again, click to Pay Now, then at Phillip Securities, click Transfer. The next part is super important, so pay close attention, yeah? If this is your first transfer, you need to check how much you have to transfer in order to qualify for the welcome rewards. For example, for the current promotion, you need to make an initial transfer of at least $10,000 in order to qualify for the maximum rewards. But because this promotion may change from month to month, it's best to check how much you need to transfer, yeah? Anyway, just enter in the transfer amount, choose the account that you are transferring from. For the reference, you will need to key in your PoYams account number. To get it, head back to PoYams, click on Stocks, click Account Details, and you will find your 7-digit account number. Copy it, head back, paste it in. Then click Next. Make sure everything is correct, then click Submit. If you are transferring during regular hours, the transfer should arrive within 15 minutes. Next, if you are buying overseas stocks, you will need to convert your currency. To do that, at the Live Cash Balance page, tap on SGD. By default, your currencies will convert automatically. If you don't want that, you can tap on Auto Offset, then choose No Auto Conversion. But I would recommend leaving it as Auto Offset so that you don't have to manually convert every time. Then, if you want to convert manually, you can tap on the currency, then just enter how much you want to convert and which currency you want to convert to. PoYams Cash Plus doesn't charge any fee for currency conversion, and from my test, their FS rate is one of the best, yeah? Next, if you are planning to invest your CPF or SRS money, you will need to link your CPF or SRS accounts. To do that, at the top right, click on My Settings, My Accounts, then click Bank Account Information. And here, you'll be able to link your CPF OA, CPF SA, and SRS accounts. To link your CPF OA, click on Modify, enter in your NRIC number and agent bank. To get the CPF investment account number, you can head over to CPF. At the top, click on My CPF Investment, scroll down and you'll find your CPF investment account number. Copy it, head back, paste it in, then click Update. For CPF SA, you can just key in your NRIC number and birth date. So it's pretty straightforward. And for SRS, you will need to key in your NRIC number and agent bank. As for the SRS investment account number, you can just follow this guide by Endowers on how to look for your SRS account number depending on which your agent bank is. Once you have found it, copy it, head back, paste it in, click Update, and you are done. Now, you are finally ready to buy your stocks and what big. But first, here's how to look for the investments that you are interested in. First, switch over to the Prices LP1 tab. You will find different types of investments that you can invest in. There's stocks, options, ETFs, unit trusts, and even bonds. But let's check out the Stocks tab. Here, you can select the market that you are interested in. Some preset lists and sectors, but the fastest way is to just search for the stock that you want. For example, let's try STI ETF. And here's the result. what you can do is add the stock to your watch list so that you don't have to keep searching for it every time. To see your watch list, just click on the watch list tab and you will see all the stocks that you have added previously. Okay, to buy your stock, just double tap on the stock and a buy panel will pop up. For order type, you can just leave it as limit order. With limit order, you can set what price you want to buy the stock at. For example, if the stock is at $3 and if you want to buy at $2.90, you can then set the limit price to $2.90. But try not to lowball it too much, yeah? Because if the limit price is set too low, you might not be able to buy your stock. Next, for quantity, just enter in how many stocks you want to buy. For example, let's try to buy 1 stock. For payment type, if the stock supports CPF and SRS, you will see them here. Otherwise, you will only be able to invest via cash. For validity, day order means the order will be valid for the day it is created. Unfilled orders will automatically expire at the end of the trading day if it is not filled. And for good to date orders, you are able to specify up to 28 days for the order to stay active. For this example, I will just choose day. Once everything is done, enter in your password, then click buy. If everything is alright, you can submit your order. To check your orders, you can head over to order status. If the order is completed, it will say done. Or if you want to see what stocks you have, you can head over to the account management tab, live positions, and here you'll be able to see all the stocks that you have owned. Now, let's say you are ready to sell your stocks and what big. To do that, just head back to prices, LP1, watch list, look for the stock that you want to sell, make sure to change the action to sell, and the rest of the steps are exactly the same as just now. And congratulations, you have sold your stock. Finally, here's how to withdraw your money back to your bank account. First, head over to Account Management, Online Forms, then click EPS Form to add your bank account details. Once you are done, head back out and click Withdrawal Form. Enter in how much you want to withdraw, the withdrawal method, and which account you want to withdraw to. Then click Submit. Confirm your withdrawal, then click Proceed. The funds will arrive within 1 business day, so you will have to wait a bit, yeah? If you submit the withdrawal request before 10 AM, depending on which bank you are transferring to, the fund will arrive either on the same day or 1 working day later. But if you submit the request after 10 AM, the money will arrive 1 to 2 working days later. Also, take note that if you have just sold your shares, you won't be able to withdraw your money immediately, as you will need to wait for 2 working days for the transaction to be settled, yeah? So that was a quick guide on how to use POEMS Cash Plus to buy and sell your stocks. Now, here are some tips on how to maximize the benefits of your POEMS Cash Plus account. 1. POEMS Cash Plus has a smart park feature where it lets you earn a return on your idle cash. They do this by investing your idle cash in their Phillip Money Market Fund. This fund consists of government bonds, corporate bonds, and fixed deposits. The good thing is that there's no lock-in period and the money can be used to invest immediately whenever you want. Or, if you want, you can withdraw and get back the money within 1 business day. To enable the Smart Park feature, head over to Account Management, Online Forms, Access Fund Authorization, and make sure you are already opted in. Second, you can head over to Market Data and Rewards to subscribe for stuff such as free live pricing and free SGX market depth. So far, POEMS has been extending the promotion and has not charged any fees for using this. But just take note that if one day they stop extending the promo, you will need to start paying fees, yeah? Anyway, that was a super quick tutorial on how to use POEMS Cash Plus. Hopefully, you found it useful. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.